Hey everybody, I'm going to show you Gimkit Collaborative Kit. It's one of my favorite things to use. I just started using it, and basically kids can submit questions and you can use them for reviews for tests, for time fillers, and it really gets the kids really into creating those questions and the higher level thinking of what's an answer that could be a second close to this but not correct, and then what's one that would be totally off. There's just so many benefits to it. And another way my students have used it is just as a fun, like, would you rather? And come up with some choices. Now, you have to approve them. So, of course, you can always check answers and make sure that they're appropriate questions. But what you would do is you go to New Kit right here, and you would call it, like, let's say we were doing pronouns. So, pronoun review. Okay. And then I'm going to hit next. Okay. And then right here, I am going to collaborate with Kit Collab. Okay. So I'm going to click on this right here and enable Kit Collab. And then it's going to give me a link, and I can put that, send that out to my kids no matter what platform you use, whether it's Google Classroom or it's Learning or a remind message, whatever. But copy link, or simply put a QR code up on the board for your kids. Okay, so basically you're going to share this out, and your kids are going to come up with questions and answers. And then this is the tricky part, actually, and it's thrown me for a little bit of a loop. That's why I decided to do this tutorial. When I go back to the Gimkit, so when you go back to the Gimkit that you created, this is one that I'm working on right now. I couldn't find the questions. I'm like, wait a second, I have 34 kids and nobody has come up with a question all week. That's kind of strange. So I went into edit, and now I can see here it is, okay? Otherwise, I really couldn't find where my kids did that. So I'm gonna hit collab. I have a 9 right here, okay? So here it's gonna show you what my kids have come up with, okay? So what I can do is read through them, make sure they have the correct options or choices, and then you say add to kit. Reject, add to kit. Now, sometimes I'll add them to kit, and then I can go ahead and change the answers if they're not correct. But these are ones that my kids have submitted. So let's just say I'm gonna go ahead and add these to the kit. And they get really excited because we do these during our review sessions, and they get to see their questions. But again, always preview, as if anything in education. Always make sure you read through stuff because you never know. Okay, so let's say we're good. I check these. If I need to edit, I can click right here and change some choices, maybe some wording, which I am going to have to do. Okay, but let's pretend I'm done. I will say all done, and then here it is. And I can go ahead and share it, play live with the kids, assign it, whatever. So that's one way you can use Gimkit collaboration tools, and it's not so much work on the teacher having to come up with questions, and rather your kids during a unit can use the information to create questions. So just wanted to share that. Hope you have a great day.